हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज के इस क्लास में एक इंग्लिश स्टोरी जिसका नाम है रिकॉग्नाइज योर सेल्फ। इस स्टोरी के माध्यम से मैं आपको इंग्लिश के शब्दों को पढ़ना बोलना दोनों सिखाने वाला हूँ। यदि आप इस प्रकार के वीडियो को देखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर ऑल पर क्लिक कर लीजिएगा, जिससे आपको इस तरह के वीडियो टाइम पर मिलते रहें। तो आइए बिना किसी देरी के इस क्लास को शुरू करते हैं। स्टोरी का टाइटल जैसा हमने बताया है रिकॉग्नाइज योरसेल्फ। रिकॉग्नाइज योरसेल्फ क्या पढ़ेंगे? रिकॉग्नाइज योर सेल्फ। तो गाइज मैं इस स्टोरी के माध्यम से एक एक शब्दों को पढ़ूंगा, कैसे शब्दों का उच्चारण करेंगे, किस तरह से सेंटेंस में इसका उच्चारण होता है। जब आप इस प्रकार के सेंटेंस को पढ़ने लगेंगे तो आपको इंग्लिश बोलने में, पढ़ने में, लिखने में बहुत आसानी होगी। मैं एक एक शब्दों को पढ़ूंगा और ध्यान से एक एक शब्दों को सुनते चलिए। चाहे तो आप साथ ही साथ बोलते चलिए, जिससे आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ने बोलने में बहुत आसानी है। मैं आपको बेसिक से एडवांस तक इंग्लिश पढ़ना, स्टोरी को ट्रांसलेट करना हिंदी में, आर्टिकल्स को पढ़ना, आर्टिकल्स को हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करना, एडिटोरियल को पढ़ना और एडिटोरियल को हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करना, सब कुछ सिखाऊंगा। बेसिक टू एडवांस चलेंगे हम लोग। ये सब बेसिक क्लासें हैं। चलिए बिना किसी देरी के शुरू करते हैं। पैराग्राफ है अपना, वन डे a lioness died while giving birth to a cub. At the time, a herd of sheep was passing by. The lion cub accidentally, क्या पढ़ेंगे इसको? accidentally joined them. The sheep also taught him to be part of their herd, and so the cub was brought up by the sheep. While living with them, the lion cub believed himself to be a sheep. Since he was growing up among sheep, it was natural for him to live one. He was living with the sheep and believed that he was a sheep. He became a vegetarian and started eating grass with great joy. He had no conception पढ़ेंगे इसको, conception of what a lion was. He had no idea, not even in his dreams, that he was a lion. How could he? All around him were sheep and only sheep. He had never roared like a lion. He had never been alone like a lion. With the passage of time, the lion cub started growing up. He became a beautiful young lion. The sheep became accustomed to him just as he became accustomed to them. But one day another lion attacked their herd. When he saw the young lion among the sheep, he could not believe his eyes. He had never seen such a thing before. He was astonished to see a young lion grazing among the sheep. Neither were the sheep afraid of the lion, nor were they aware that the lion was among them. The attacking lion forgot about catching a sheep and decided instead to catch hold of the young lion and find out what was happening. The lion attacked the flock to capture the young lion. Seeing him, all the sheep started running to save their lives. The young lion also ran away to save his life. Although it was difficult to catch him, somehow the lion managed to do so. The lion said to him, "You idiot, why are you running away from me? From me?" The young lion was crying and weeping. He said, "Please leave me. I am a poor sheep. Let me go." He was shivering with fear and bleating like a sheep. It did not take long for the lion to understand what was going on. The lion pulled him toward a lake. The young lion resisted and was reluctant to go. He tried not to go there. He was scared of death. He was crying and weeping, but the lion did not let him go. He dragged him to the lake, which was still and clear like a mirror. The lion forced the young lion to look into the water. He said, "Just look, look at my face, and then look at yours. Look at my body, and then look at yours. Yours." The young lion with tearful eyes looked into the water. As he saw him reflection, he was astonished for the first time. He realized that he did not look a sheep, but like a lion. He understood that in reality क्या पढ़ेंगे? Reality he was not a sheep but a lion, and within a second a great roar came from within him. Hearing his roar, the whole forest trembled. क्या पढ़ेंगे? ट्रम्बल्ड। बड़े बड़े शब्दों को आप लोग कई बार प्रोनाउंस करिए, यानी कई बार पढ़िए, जैसे वो धीरे धीरे करके आप उसको सही प्रोनाउंस कर लेंगे। एंड द शीप डिसअपियर्ड। क्या पढ़ेंगे? डिसअपियर्ड। He was a totally different being now. He recognized himself, his identification with the sheep had not been real. It was just a mental illusion. Now he had seen the truth. The young lion could feel a strange energy he had never felt before, as if it had been dormant. He could feel a tremendous power. He had always thought of himself as a weak, humble sheep, but now all that humbleness and weakness simply evaporated. There is a very deep message hidden inside this beautiful story. Just think what undiscovered talents and abilities could be lying hidden within you. You could also be a lion surrounded by a bunch of sheep who have made you believe that you are much less than you really are. You really are. There will always be people around you who will make you feel like you cannot achieve anything in life, and over time you may start believing them, but you have to stand out from the crowd of such people and recognize your true potential. The day you recognize the line within yourself, no one will be able to stop you from walking the path to success. आई होप आपको इस वीडियो से बहुत सारे नए नए वर्ड पढ़ना, बोलना, प्रोनाउंस करना सीखे होंगे। आप चाहे तो इस वीडियो को फिर एक बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं, रीवॉच कर सकते हैं, जिससे जो भी वर्ड आपको नहीं प्रोनाउंस कर पाए, नहीं बोल पाए, वो भी सीख जाएंगे। तो आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें, और यदि चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। और को हम हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके आपको समझाएंगे, क्योंकि धीरे धीरे हम लोग बेसिक से एडवांस तक चलने वाले हैं। तो आप लोग चैनल को ज़रूर जुड़े, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें। तो मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जब तक के लिए टेक केयर। जय हिंद।